Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. I'm Mark and I'm glad you joined us today. So a while ago we did a video on fixing the front of my RV, and more specifically where the RV box attaches to the actual Chevy van. And what we had found was that in this area that the sheet metal the screws had come loose, so we had installed new screws to hold the sheet metal to the RV box. Well, my wife a couple of weeks ago was insistent that she had heard some air in this area while she was driving in speeds closer to highway speeds. And so she came in here and took this off, and we noticed that some of these fasteners have loosened just over time. Just, I guess, movement, driving. So I went to the first bolt here and I went to see if it was tight, and it had 3 or 4 turns on it. So I backed it out to show you guys, but I only checked this one. So this one here was loose, completely loose. And we did a couple others. This one here was also loose. How far does that go? That one's loose there. And then, wow, this one's loose as well. Okay, I can't get to that one. So I'm gonna grab the head on these fasteners I used was 5/16. So that one there is also a little loose. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can sit here. We haven't gotten to these yet, so we're gonna see how loose these are. So that one's kind of got a 1/4 of a turn on it. These are in sheet metal, so we have to be careful that we don't strip them out. These are all about a 1/4 turn loose. Yeah. That one was loose. And I'm using this little wrench here because I don't want to take the liner out. That means I'd have to take everything off. Yeah, that was about a 1/4. Wow, this one's really loose. That's a 1/2. It was about a little more than a 1/2. Wow, this one's loose too. So this is more of a follow-up video, so I can tell you guys, if you guys had to do this repair, you're gonna have to check these fasteners because they're backing out, probably because of the movement of the RV. You figure these things move around a lot. And my wife said wind. You know, you're pushing these things through the wind and things vibrate. So let me use this. Oh, we haven't done this side at all. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow. Can you believe that? That is a lot. That one I can't get to. This one I can. Now that one was tight. All right, switch one. We didn't get this one. That one's tight. That one's got a little, that's a 1/4 turn. Yeah, wow, guys. So, it's this one?
Did you get that one?
I don't know. Yeah, that one we got. Okay. So anyway, guys, if you had to do this repair, or if you're noticing a lot of wind noise in your cab, you might want to check this area. So guys, if you have this type of RV and you had to do this kind of repair, or you're hearing some wind noise in the cab, you might want to check this area to see if maybe these fasteners have backed out, or maybe they completely pulled through. I'm going to leave a link in the description below on that first video on what we had found when we had taken this off. Wanted to give you this follow-up video of what we found. Even though the fix that we did do was good and I felt it was great, the fasteners had backed out. So anyway, just a little bit of information for you guys. So appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions or concerns, leave comments below. Don't forget to click the like so this gets out to more people. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.